So I'm new to Oregon. I grew up in South Carolina, spent most of my life in California, and then moved to Texas. So I've been, in the southern United States my whole life. Used to like warm, sunny places. And this summer I tried to go on a backpacking trip in Washington, like in Goat Rocks. And I thought June was late enough in the summer that it would be warm and sunny and enjoyable. And on the second day of a 4-day backpacking trip, we got caught in a snowstorm on the top of a mountain and had to hike 16 miles back to our car because we were wet and cold and everything we owned was covered in ice. So I learned a lot about being an Oregonian that day. Summer doesn't actually start till July. My name is Heidi Lindsley. I have a doctorate in biology and I am a biology professor here at George Fox. I became interested in biology when I started my undergraduate education as a biology major with the hope of becoming a doctor. And a couple of years in, I realized that the medical field wasn't really for me, but there were so many other things about biology that were wildly fascinating, so I kind of just kept going with that side of things. If someone were taking a course with me for the first time, I would want them to know that I am really excited to be here. Doesn't always come across at like 8 a.m. on a Monday morning, but I really enjoy what I do, and I really enjoy my subject matter, especially in some of the classes I get to teach in the biology department. I get like really way too excited about the subject matter. So I think I'd want students to know that I'm here because I love what I do, and I'm here because I love biology.